Welcome to Top 5 Auto Advice. How to change a fuel pump on a Ford Fusion. The process is basically the same in all vehicles. This where the pump sits, you can use vacuum to clean up. Don't forget to disconnect the negative side of the battery. Then remove the cover. These bolts are 7mm. Take the cover off, watch for the arrow. It have to go back in the same way. Vacuum up around the pump. Make sure it nice and clean. If you find the connection hard to come out, there is a tab here. All you have to do just squeeze in them both at the same time and wiggle a little bit and it will come out. Now the fuel line, use a small screwdriver. You see this clamp, you going and pull up. And then there is another tab here. You just press it a little bit, be careful not to break it. Now you have to get the ring out. The ring is counterclockwise. You could use a chisel and a hammer and work its way out. Allow fuel to drain, you don't want it to spill all over the place. The new pump will come with a new seal. Swap out the old one. Make sure to clean out all the dirt around it. Now this tab has to face the front of the vehicle. There be some lines inside, be careful, might get caught on. Take your time, and you might had to press it down a little bit. You see how that tab is? This is how you want it to be. Get the ring back on. Make sure to hook up back the connection. Hook up the negative back on. And you ready to go. Before you start it, just turn it on and let the pump kick up. And let it primes itself. Do it a few times. You might had to reset your radio. Now start it up. And there you go. You just replace your own fuel pump and save some money in the process. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.